Good morning, everyone! Today is Wednesday, 20th of November, and I have my doctor's appointment to my radiologist. So I am going to share you what's in my bag every time that I have hospital visit. So, because normally I take the ambulance and like the usual is like 2 hours because the ambulance fetch different people in different towns, so that is why it really takes a long time. And also after the checkup or whatsoever, you have to wait again for the ambulance. So yeah, so I am so prepared. This is what I normally put in my bag. First is this one. This document is super duper important. That is they call it volante. I mean, the ambulance driver will gonna ask that paper, so it's so important. So first I have two. That is the first thing that I need to put in my bag. And then also the SIP card, the health card, because once you enter the hospital, you will just put it on, put it in the machine, and then the machine will give you a printed, like a receipt that you have there, the room number, and etc., etc. So you are guided that where to go and where to wait. So, and then tissue, tissue paper, super duper important now. Like, you know, when cold days, pag pa-winter na, grabe talaga ang sipon, dye. Yan. So, makalimutan na ang lahat, wag lang ang health card. And then a book. So, normally, lagi talaga may dalang libro kasi pag sobrang tagal akong naghihintay, sometimes the longest I think is 2 or more hours kasi depende sa availability ng ng ambulance. So kailangan talaga mag-wait ka ng matagal. At yung travel also, it takes like sometimes 2 hours because from example, from my place, they will fetch another patient in different towns or different cities. So patience is a virtue. And then, of course, this is the most important. Wait lang. I always put that in the plastic so that, you know, it will not mess my bag. Okay. I have bread. So, kahit matagal man ako mag-antay doon, meron akong food. And then normally I always bring fruits. This one is mandarin, peeled mandarin, and then blueberries. That's my favorite, blueberries. And then also these are nuts, dried walnuts. And also, look, I have cubes of pistachio chocolates. It's my favorite during Christmas season. Binibenta na nila yan pag Christmas season. Tapos, parang ano man to sa atin, parang Yakult ba. Then, water. So, yan lang. Ganyan ko lang yan siya, guys. So, para super safe siya sa aking bag. Tingnan natin yan dyan. And, ay, takpan si Inday. And then, scarf. Kasi minsan pag nilalamig, though mainit naman sa hospital, pero in case, or sa ambulance, then mask. Kasi syempre yung ibang patient, diba? Actually, putting the mask on, it is not just for your protection. It is also the protection of the other person. Kaya lagi ako nagdadala din ng mask. So, that's my hospital bags. Yeah, that's my hospital bag. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone. And I want to show you my flowers. Look, this flower is so amazing because this was like last Friday, someone sent this to me. And then look, it's fully bloom already. Look at that rose, so big. And the daisy, wow. God bless everyone. Bye! Yun lamang po. Just want to share you. So, and this is my outfit going to the hospital. Bye! Thank you for watching and God bless everyone.